which Rajput ruler was overthrown by the Turk Muhammad Ghori from Delhi, Prithviraj Chauhan. In the Battle of Chandwar, Muhammad Ghori defeated which Rajput ruler of India, Joychand, ruler of Konauj Rathod dynasty. Muhammad Ghori assigned his Indian possession to Kutubuddin Aibak. The first battle of Torain was fought between Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori. Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori. Alfonso de Albuquerque captured Goa from Bijapur in 1510. When Vasco da Gama arrived at Calicut in 1498, he was greeted by which local ruler? The Hindu ruler of Calicut, Jamorin, who was the last British Governor General of independent India, Lord Mountbatten. Minto Morley Reforms Act was introduced in the year 1909. The Swaraj Party was founded by Motilal Nehru in the year 1923. National anthem was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on January 24, 1950. The two prime occupations of Paleolithic age men were hunting and gathering. The Shore Temple of Mahabalipuram and Kailasnath Temple in Kanchipuram were constructed by which Pallava ruler? Narasimhavarman I. Which Rashtrakut ruler had written the earliest Kannada book? Kaviraja Mark on rhetoric, poetics and grammar. Amogvarsa I. The last ruler of Pallava dynasty was Aparajita Varman. The East India Company was founded in 1600. Which English officer played an important role in the formation of Indian National Congress? Ellen Octavian Hume. She was a Parsi girl born in Mumbai and brought out her own revolutionary journal in awareness of Indian struggle for independence in Europe and America, Madame Bhikaji Cama. Khilafat movement 1919 to 1920. The movement of Indian Muslim was led by Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, who was the perpetrator of Jallianwala Bagh massacre on April 13, 1919 at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar, Punjab. General Reginald Dyer. The tropical storm in the Caribbean or West Pacific Ocean with extremely strong wind is called hurricane. The fertile soil generally found in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana and Bihar is called alluvial soil. It is also known as lying planet, Uranus planet. The nearest and most similar planet to Earth in the solar system has an atmosphere 100 times denser than our own with little or no geomagnetic field, Venus. The intensity of earthquake wave is recorded by seismograph. Line joining places that experience earthquake at the same time, homoseismal line. The sun is vertically overhead at the equator on March 21st, spring equinox. A person crossing international dateline from east to west loses 1 day. Earth takes time. Revolution around the sun is 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 45.51 seconds. It is an icy small solar system body that when passing close to the sun heats up and begins to outgas, displaying a visible atmosphere or coma, and sometimes also a tail comet. The angular distance measured in degrees along the equator east or west of the prime meridian is called longitude. Lakshadweep Island are situated in the Arabian Sea of the coast of Kerala. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in the Bay of Bengal of the coast of Myanmar. Kolleru Lake is situated between the deltas of Godavari and Krishna River. Earth spins on its imaginary axis from west to east in 23 hours 56 minutes and 40.91 seconds. It is a measure of overall diversity for the different ecosystems within a region, gamma diversity. The two largest, Jupiter and Saturn, are composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. The line that passes through 180-degree east to west meridian of longitude, which falls on the opposite side of the Greenwich meridian, is called International Date Line. Fundamental rights are granted to citizens under which article? Article 12 to 35. Indian Constitution was adopted by the Government of India on 26 November 1949. The counterpart of the Lok Sabha Speaker in the Rajya Sabha is the Chairman, who is the Vice President of India. January 26th was selected as the date for the inauguration of the Constitution because Congress had observed it as the Independence Day in 1930. The procedure of amendment to the Constitution is borrowed from the Constitution of South Africa. The procedure of amendment to the Constitution is borrowed from the Constitution of South Africa. The Speaker has the sixth rank in the political executive of India. Chief Justice of India works as President if the post of President and Vice President is lie vacant. Who decides the number of judges in a High Court? President. What is the minimum permissible age for employment in any factory or mine? 14 years. When was the Madras state renamed Tamil Nadu? 1969. Which article of the Constitution of India makes a specific mention of village panchayat? Article 40. In which year was the first no confidence motion moved in Lok Sabha after independence? 1963. Which can the salary of High Court judge be reduced? When can the salary of High Court judge be reduced? During a financial emergency. Which is the state having the largest population of scheduled caste? Uttar Pradesh. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? B.R. Ambedkar. How type of right is right to information? Fundamental right. What is the minimum age for election appointment as member of Rajya Sabha? 30 years. Union budget is laid between the two houses of the Parliament in accordance with Article 112 of Indian Constitution. The Rajya Sabha has no power to reject or amend which type of bill? Money bill. Who was the PM of India when anti-defection bill was passed? Rajiv Gandhi. Which constitutional amendment deleted the right to property from the fundamental rights? 44 Amendment. Which is the only union territory to have its own High Court? Delhi. The Security Paper Mill (SPM), Hoshangabad was established in 1968, which is responsible for the manufacturing of different types of security paper, by whom was the first attempt to initiate economic planning of India made by M. Visvesvaraya. The minimum support price for food grain was introduced in the year 1964. The adoption of high yielding variety program in Indian agriculture started in 1966. In 5-year plan, the actual growth performance in India in respect of GDP at factor cost was less than the target set. 9th 5-year plan. Who was the author of the chapter on objective of plan development for the third 5-year plan? Morarji Desai. Upon which development the second 5-year plan laid more stress. Industrialization. Upon which development the second 5-year plan laid more stress. Industrialization. Of the various ways of financing government investment expenditure, what is the least inflationary? Taxation. By which bank are the central banking function of India performed? Reserve Bank of India. Of which will open market operations of a central bank are sale and purchase, trade bills. What is the current reserve repo rate under the LAF after 5th monetary policy committee meeting? 6.25%. Reserve Bank of India Governor Urjit Patel has resigned. He was Governor of India, 24th Governor. He was the 24th Governor of RBI. Taxation and the government's expenditure policy are dealt under which policy? Fiscal policy. The philosophy of laissez-faire is associated with industrial states. In India, in which year was the service tax first introduced? 1994. Who coined the term Hindu rate of growth for Indian economy? Raj Krishna. It is found in pork, eggs, leafy green vegetables. The vitamin prevents beriberi, weakness, partial paralysis, irregular heartbeat. Vitamin B1. It is found in citrus fruit. The vitamin prevents scurvy, bleeding gums. Vitamin C. It is an insoluble polysaccharide. These are found in bread, potatoes, rice and cereals, and a chemical used by plants to store food, starch. It is found in ass liver oil. The vitamin prevents rickets. Vitamin D. It is found in milk, egg yolk, lettuce. The vitamin prevents sterility. Vitamin E. Avogadro's law is an experimental gas law relating volume of a gas to the amount of substance of gas present. Boyle's law is an experimental gas law that describes how the pressure of a gas tends to increase as the volume of the container decreases. Oxidation is better defined as an increase of oxidation number and reduction as a decrease in oxidation number. 1 mole of an ideal gas has a value of 22.4 liters at STP as defined by IUPAC. Hair of a shaving brush cleaning together when the brush is removed from water due to surface tension. Radiocarbon dating is used to determine the age of human fossils. Metallurgy is defined as the whole process of obtained a pure metal from one of its ores. 44. At birth, the human skull is made up of 44 separate bony elements. The human skull is generally considered to consist of 22 bones. The average adult has a blood volume of roughly 5 liters. What is the name of India's heaviest, largest and most powerful satellite, which was successfully launched recently? GSAT-11.